friends, welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. So today I start with the fourth part of the report to discuss fear of infections. So let's start the discussion from upside. Yeah. So let's start the discussion. Get filled up immediately with the next patients in queue. Even as India started implementing a phase exit from the world's biggest lockdown in Maharashtra, the state where Mumbai is located, on Sunday extended the stay at home measures in the metropolis to June 30. Some small relaxations will kick inform June 5 in Mumbai, such as following shops and markets to open alternate days. Fear of infection. While other virus epicenters from Wuhan to New York and Bergamo in Italy have seen similarly overwhelmed hospitals, and Mumbai's situations in compound, some says, created by the reluctance of its massive and better equipped private health system to get involved in virus care out of fear of infections. There was a shortage of the beds for intensive care units or ICUs and critical care initially when the pandemic broke out, but it has largely been mitigated now, according to Sanjay Oak, a physician of the physicians heading Mumbai's virus task force set up in April by the Maharashtra government. The state government has taken over 80% of the general category beds and all the ICU beds in the city. The private healthcare facilities said in an email, these beds are displayed and allotted through a common dashboard at an affordable price. He said, despite these efforts, some patients are still getting crowded out. Members of the family who did not want to be identified for a fear of being stigmatized and spent a night in an ambulance. After 3 private hospitals refused to hospitalize their elderly diabetic mother who had a fever and doubts of shivering, the private facilities insisted on certificate showing she was virus free and directing her to the public hospitals. The woman was asked to spend the night on the floor at the state-run hospitals as awaited for her test results, as there were no non-vacant beds, said one of her relatives. The family chose to take her away, keep trying other hospitals. S. Kumar, a social worker in Mumbai, struggled to secure medical help for a woman who had suffered brain damage after a fall at home. At least 3 leading private hospitals insisted on a certificate saying she didn't had COVID-19 before starting treatment. According to Kumar, the woman died before her treatment could start. Treatment delayed is treatment denied, Kumar said, adding that he had seen at least half a dozen deaths in the past 6 weeks due to the lack of timely medical care. Thank you friends. In the next video, I will discuss the social equality. Thank you.